Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a happy mail from, look at that, look at that beautiful mess, that fun, well, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Happy mail from Maddi. Now this is part of a group swap, and I'm just going to read my letter and take a picture, and then I'll get back to you. So the idea with this swap was to create a kit so that your swap partner could create something with the things that you have provided. And in the card, Maddi has told me that she has sent me a banner kit, and it is all made with the Chasing Dreams collection. So she has it put on a beautiful little tag flip here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So there is a gorgeous sequin mix that looks very similar to this loveliness on my desk right here. I love those colors. These very delicate butterflies, so pretty. The ribbon to attach everything there. These pearls, some ephemera, and the actual banner flags themselves, all pre-cut, and then these beautiful flowers. So I am going to, oh, I see, the butterflies are gold on the side. I didn't even notice that at first. Wow, those are very delicate. So I am going to create this banner, and I'll have a chance to show you what it looks like. And she's packaged it up so brilliantly. So she's made like a tag flip that is a banner for me to create. And inside here, she's included a lovely little extra rose hip under eye patches, and something smells so good, and I can't tell if it's the tea or the patches. Anyways, it smells really good. Green rose tea is probably what smells good, but I will have to create this and show you what I have created. Okay, here is the finished product. I am done. I was so inspired that I immediately sat down and got to work. Now, something that you should know, I have never made a banner before, ever. And this was the perfect thing for Maddi to send to me because it was so interesting to create something. And I don't know why I have never made this before. It certainly won't be my last now that I have created one. I will definitely continue on. Now these are stitched on pretty good, so I feel confident to be able to lift them up and show you. So the one thing that I couldn't notice when I originally opened the package was that these aren't just background papers that she's hand cut for me. She actually hand painted these for me. So she has used mixed media, and it's hard to see now because a lot of this one was covered up. I used a doily from my stash to be the backdrop for this one, and everything else here is the ephemera that was in the kit, butterfly, the flower, the pearls that she gave me. I inked the edges for the tags, and I put some little feathers on the swan, and then I did do stitching all around each of the flags themselves, and then I stitched on the two ribbons that she provided for the base of the banner. So this second one here is a really magical book. So I did not have this collection previously. This is my first time working with it, and it was really fun to work with a new collection from one of my favorite designers, of course. I love crepe paper, and I put the little hello across here. This was something that I had in my stash, and all of these little flowers and die cuts and butterfly and everything were the things that she provided. And you get a little bit better look at some of the background paper on this one because you can see a little bit more of it. I did add the stitching all the way around each of the different banners, but the beautiful mists and of gold and everything was all Maddi. She did all of that. So this one is really pretty, and it concentrates more on that sort of turquoisey mint green color and the pinks. And I really loved this ephemera that's back here with the hearts, and it's got the little pink on the edge there. So this one was really pretty to put together. This one, I took the letters off the envelope that she made for me, and you can see like she must have used a rub-on to make these letters. They're so perfect for this banner here, and so it's got my name on it now. And I just layered up 3 pieces of the ephemera, used the pearls. I did tuck in a couple of my own pom-poms there, and again I used the butterfly. That is a consistent element through all of the I realize now I didn't put my butterfly on here yet. I was going to say that's a consistent element through each of them, that they all have a butterfly and a flower. I will have to go back and add that to this one. So I used everything that she gave me. This is the ribbon that she wrapped the gift up in. This is the paper clip that she used to hold together the ribbon that she was giving me to create the base. And I couldn't bring myself to cut apart this one beautiful sequin mix, and I just left it in the package that she gave to me, and I used it as the backdrop for this banner piece here. And then last but not least, one of my favorite color combinations lately is yellow and pink, and I just love, and gold. I just love how this all comes together. And yeah, I put a little twine on this tag that came in there. I added some of these star from Maggie Holmes as well, actually. So yeah, so this is the Chasing Dreams collection primarily, and it was a lot of fun to work with. So I thank you so much to Maddi for sending me this, for pushing me to make something that I have never created before. It's not my first, it won't be my last. I also encourage you to go and check out all the videos for the girls who are linked down below. This was a group collaboration. A bunch of us YouTube friends got together and said, let's send each other a kit, which was challenging at first because like you don't know how much to create and how much to let them create, but it ended up being like a really fun project in the end. And I'm so glad that I was a part of it. Definitely check out all the girls' videos down below. And thank you to Maddi, because she is the one who organized this group collaboration. And it was a really fun project to be a part of. And I'm so happy with the end result. And yeah, I can't wait to hang this up once I've finished my new craft space that is going to be a project in itself that I've been working on. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.